Critical review of an autonomous model of healthcare. Are third parties really needed? This important article is authored by the following scientists. The concept of an independent citizen-carried healthcare system is explored. The core is a cooperative administrative business structure, which functions exclusively for the benefit of the individual and community health of its members. The participants contribute according to their means a percentage of their assets to a healthcare fund and determine in a democratic approach on a one-vote one-member basis the size of a pre-tax deduction for the sole purpose of healthcare coverage. Representatives of this newly created healthcare cooperative enter binding agreements with integrated healthcare provider organizations consisting of physicians, nurses, hospitals, laboratories, drug companies, and ancillary personnel. The resulting single payer guarantees standard service delivery and reimbursement. The overall goal is optimum individual and community health of all members of the healthcare cooperative without interference of any third parties. A close partnership between providers and prospective patients assures an affordable balance between investment in and value of health services. Employers are freed of their burden to contribute to the health care of their employees. The remaining roles of government are enforcement of tax collections and basic rules of conduct and justice. Underlying principles are elucidated for supporting and enhancing optimum societal reciprocity in human interaction to mutually promoting health and well-being as a fundamental private and community good. The major weaknesses of the current American healthcare system, namely inequality of access and unsustainable cost increases, are addressed and potentially alleviated. A modern and fair healthcare system should be available to everyone without discrimination. While wealthier people can usually afford good care, others often rely on charity or go without help. Over time, as more healthcare becomes available, more people want it, yet resources remain limited. This has been a major challenge for healthcare systems around the world for over a century. Various models have been tried in countries like Germany, the UK, and Canada, with different ways of funding and delivering care. In recent decades, healthcare costs have risen sharply, especially in the United States, where spending is nearly double that of other industrialized nations. Even with high spending, many Americans still lack adequate care, and the country ranks poorly in healthcare access, safety, efficiency, and fairness. Political struggles and policy changes, like the Affordable Care Act, have helped somewhat but have not solved the core issues. The COVID-19 pandemic has further exposed the weaknesses in the US system. To fix this, a new idea is proposed: remove the third-party middlemen, like insurers and government agencies, and let patients and providers directly manage healthcare through a cooperative model. In this setup, members would contribute to a shared healthcare fund, have equal voting power, and work with providers to design effective services. This model aims to make healthcare both fair and affordable, ensuring everyone gets the care they need as a basic right, not a privilege. Healthcare financing has historically been approached with multiple schemes of insurance concepts, market competition, and government subsidies. Each mechanism attempted to solve the problem of unaffordable care for limited groups, but energized the relentless cost spiral. Health and its care as our most intimate existential concerns should rightfully be removed from any external interference and returned exclusively to our private and collective responsibility, based on a biologically given solidarity in vulnerability and a resultant need for general reciprocity. This proposal asks from the prospective patient, that is every citizen, and each provider as the only two rightful stakeholders in healthcare a decisive turn to community orientation beyond the economic implications of a biomedical model. both consumers and providers, each within their unique area of concern and newly assigned scope of authority, are to acknowledge the presence of an entire needy population waiting for inclusion. The potential socio-political and economic consequences are nothing less than revolutionary. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.